Hi, I'm with Badger Basket, here to walk you through the assembly of our high chair with Playtable Conversion. Before we get started, make sure to look at everything included in the box. If there are any damaged or missing pieces, please contact Badger Basket as shown at the end of the instructional video. Let's get started. So with our part B, we're going to take our pin out and align the bottom to our back. You might have to use a little bit of force to snap them together. Then we're going to take our pin and put it through the hole, and it should slide all the way through. Now we're going to take our seat cover and put it over top the seat on the back. We're going to take our bottom strap and unvelcro it. Velcro it behind the back. And for our first part of step 2, we're going to need our completed part B, 2 part C's, 1 part F, 8 of our M's, and our tool. We're going to take our part B and attach it to our part F. I'm going to flip it over and attach our plastic bolts. Now we're going to take our part C's and we're going to match up our C1 to our C1. Just insert it, and same thing on the other side, but with our C2s, and just insert it. And then we're going to flip it over and attach it with the bolts. Now for the last part of step 2, we're going to need our part E, 6 of our part M's, and our tool. We're going to take our part E, making sure that this long part is facing towards the front. We're going to align this with the pegs on our sides. And then we're going to attach it using our 6 bolts. For step 3, we're going to need our part J, our part G, and our H and I's. And then we're going to need 8 M bolts and our tool. Now we're going to take our part J and insert it into our part I, following the D4 and the D3. And then we're going to secure it with our bolts. Now we're going to take our part G and we're going to match our shapes to our holes. And I'm going to flip it over and attach it with our bolts. Now we're going to take our part H and put it on our table. And then we'll secure it with our bolts. Now we're going to take our part P, and the letter on our part P coordinates with the same letter on our table, and we're going to put it on with our letter facing up. We need to make sure that our tabs are fully secured onto our leg. Now for our last step, we're going to take our part N and our part K. We're going to flip our tray over, and we're going to insert our T-bar right into this hole until you hear it snap in. So in this step, we're going to be attaching our chair to our table. As you can see, we've already taken the caps of these legs off. Make sure that the longer part of our legs is facing forward. So now we're going to take our chair and set it on top just like this. We're going to push our button and it should just drop right in. You should be able to hear an audible snap. Now I'm going to slide it in using our lever to adjust our length. Another feature is we have a reclining backrest, and by squeezing this right here, you can get 3 different positions of our backrest. When it's time to convert the high chair to a play table, press the release buttons on the chair. Now we're going to replace the caps on the ends of our tables. Not the right one. And then we can remove the high chair tray. And that concludes the assembly of our high chair with Playtable Conversion. Remember, if you have any questions or concerns, please contact Badger Basket as shown in the next clip. Badger Basket thanks you for watching and enjoy.